We'll guide you through how to do bold text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this clear instructional tutorial right now, please make absolutely sure that Adobe Photoshop is already perfectly open and you definitely have a totally new blank document canvas perfectly ready for editing. Carefully navigate directly over to the left toolbar panel and accurately select the horizontal type tool, perfectly showing the standard T icon. Firmly click perfectly anywhere directly on your active canvas area and carefully type your exact desired word or chosen phrase today. Safely click and smoothly drag your active mouse cursor completely over the typed text to highlight it. Now, please look closely at the specific options bar located at the very top of your active screen, positioned strictly just below the top main menu. Accurately find the specific font family drop-down box that clearly displays the exact name of your currently active font. Located right next to that specific box, smoothly click the provided font weight drop-down menu, which typically actually says regular by default. If your specific font family actually includes a standard bold version, simply carefully select bold or black directly from this specific provided list. However, wonderfully many custom downloaded fonts, such as Bauhaus 93, do not officially have a built-in bold visual option. In this very specific exact case, we safely use a clever little trick officially called faux bold. To absolutely successfully apply faux bold, safely go directly to the top menu bar and firmly click precisely on Window. Carefully scroll completely down the open list and accurately select Character to perfectly open the highly dedicated Character tool panel. Look extremely closely directly at the absolute bottom section entirely of this completely newly open Character panel now. You will absolutely clearly see a horizontal row exactly of very small little icons that absolutely all look exactly like the standard letter T. Firmly click directly exactly on the very first exact T icon safely in the row, which visually looks obviously slightly thicker perfectly than the other ones. This specific button is literally the absolute faux bold button, and it completely will perfectly instantly force Adobe Photoshop completely to flawlessly thicken the outer edges entirely of your selected text. Finally, select the standard Move tool from the top left of your toolbar to deselect and finalize everything today.